I'm finally getting around to hacking Maggiano's most famous pasta dish, Rigatoni D. It's chicken, it's mushrooms, it's caramelized onion, and it's this amazing marsala wine sauce. Here's what I figured out. To make that sauce taste like the real thing, I'm gonna do something you're not gonna find in any other hack recipe. I'm gonna reduce these 2 bottles of marsala wine down to this much. All right, I will see you in an hour and a half. Here we go. Mushrooms touching the bottom of the pan. That means it's done. Strain these out. Got this beautiful orange caramel colored nectar. This is the good stuff right here. Boom. Melt some butter. Put in a bunch of garlic. Sweat it. In goes the wine. Crank up the heat and reduce. Now we add some cream. Here we go. The good stuff. Marsala reduction. Oh yeah, pure flavor. Chicken in. Cream sauce. Pasta goes in. The starch in the pasta is gonna thicken that sauce. Oh, baby. Sauce over the top. Hit that with a little cheese. A little parsley. Boom. How's that? Copycat version. Maggiano's Rigatoni D. Going in. Piece of chicken. Can't even eat it. Gotta get a mushroom. Get some chicken. I'm gonna try and get it all. Come on, there we go. Whoa, splashing, oh, terrible bite. Give me a mushroom.
Maybe you need a spoon.
Oh my God,
Dude.
I cannot fucking do this. Oh my God. Try this, man. This is so good and really not that hard. Wow. I'm gonna drink this sauce. Give me a shot glass.